Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to look at one of our latest acquisitions. Everybody knows what the hood bird is on this car and what car it belongs to. We'll tell you more details in a minute. Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. On our sales floor where we have close to 100 collectible cars, trucks, vehicles, you name it, we've got it right here at Ellingson's. If you want to check out all of our inventory, go to our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com where you'll find all the information, pictures, videos, and all the stories on the current inventory that we have. New stuff's coming all the time. Especially, this is a brand new one that is just going on the sales floor today. It is a 1979 Trans-Am 6.6 Z code 400. So it is really interesting because that's the big dog back in 1979. Of course, the shaker hood is very noticeable. Everybody knows what the Screaming Chicken goes with the Trans-Ams. In 1979, that's no exception. Although you could, if you weren't inclined to want the big bird, you could have just the small bird. But the big bird was probably the most popular option, of course, from Smokey and the Bandit, that made this car absolutely a classic forever and a day. This car, beautiful paint all the way around. The hood bird, of course, and still has the fiber front end for bump protection. This has the color matched snowflake wheels with the radial tires, of course, which makes these cars ride really, really nicely. The one neat feature about this car that intrigued us the most, perhaps, in 1979, very few of these came with the 4-speed manual transmission. This one does have the 4-speed manual. Also has lots of other creature comforts, including power steering, power brakes, and even air conditioning. So, this car, when it was ordered, somebody knew exactly what they were looking for, and this is what they found. Of course, it has all the accoutrements that you have on a Trans-Am, the little emblems right here on the side, the rear spoiler, front spoiler, beautiful bucket seat interior with the center console with the 4-speed, the engine turn dash, and of course the special Trans-Am steering wheel that goes with it. You can find all the pictures on this car at Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well if you didn't find it on our website, but I'm sure you will. You can also come and visit us in person. We are here Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. I'd love to have you come in, take a closer look. I'll tell you what, the Trans-Am, since Pontiac no longer is with us, have become more and more popular all the time, and especially if you can find one with a 4-speed manual with the big block, it's the one that you should have in your collection, or if it's your first one, it'd be a great one to just go cruising. So take a look at our website, take a look at all the information on this car as well. Love to have you come here in person as well.